In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your Trello workspace with ease. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing your tasks and projects, and today we're going to walk through a simple process that can come in handy for workspace management. Let's dive in. First, you want to go to your board. You can do this by visiting the link or navigating to your Trello dashboard and selecting the board you want to work with. Once you are on your board, locate the three dots at the upper right corner of the screen. This menu holds several options for customizing your board experience, so go ahead and click on it. Now select Settings from the drop-down menu. The Settings option allows you to manage various aspects of your Trello board and workspace, tailoring them to fit how you or your team work best. Once you're in the settings, look for the Workspace section. Here you'll want to click on the name of your workspace. This is an important step if you're planning on making changes or updates to how your workspace is structured. Next, let's focus on the drop-down that appears. This drop-down provides you with the ability to adjust which workspace you're working in. For instance, perhaps you've been working within one workspace and now need to switch to a different one for a specific project. Go ahead and select a different workspace from the drop-down menu. This will help you switch your attention to other tasks or resources associated with this new workspace. Once you've made your selection, you will want to confirm these changes by clicking on Change. This ensures the workspace shift is saved and engaged. After transitioning between workspaces, it's always a good idea to click on the Trello logo. Doing this will return you to your main board overview, making navigation to other boards smoother. Now let's say you need to manage specific settings within a new workspace. Click on Settings next to the name of the workspace you have in focus. This is your hub for managing workspace particulars, from member roles to workspace visibility. If you find that a particular workspace is no longer needed, you have the option to delete it. To do this, locate and click on Delete this workspace. It's right there within the settings and should be clearly marked. Before the workspace is permanently removed, you're required to type the name of your workspace into the prompt. This is a critical safety feature to ensure that workspaces aren't deleted accidentally. Once you've entered the correct name, click on Delete Workspace. And there you have it. You've now gone through the process of managing and reshuffling your workspaces in Trello, empowering you to optimize the way you organize your workflow. Thank you for following along, and be sure to check out our other Trello tips and guides for more ways to enhance your productivity.